Welcome to Sirchand Studio. Today we are going to learn how to talk about the past. These 3 secrets will make your English simple and clear. The first secret is the verb to be. In the past, am and is changed to was. For example, yesterday I was very happy.
And if you're talking about more than one person, are changes to were. For example, my friends were at the park.
Second secret is for most action words. You only need to add 2 letters to the end. Ed. Today I walk, but yesterday I walked.
That is like a magic code. Other examples are played, watched, and cooked. It pushes the word into the past instantly.
However, some verbs are rebels. They change completely. Instead of go, we say went. Instead of eat, we say ate.
I see, so see becomes saw, have becomes had, and drink becomes drank. Let me try a story. Last Sunday was wonderful. I woke up late and had a big breakfast. Then I went to the park and saw many birds. Later we ate pizza at a cafe. We talked for a long time.
Great job, Sam. Remember, learning the past is all about practice. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep speaking.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and we will see you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe to Sirchand. Bye.